Hi, I'm Emily from motormatchstoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this manual Kia XCeed T-GDi edition in silver. This Euro 6 compliant model features a responsive 1.0 litre petrol engine. Finished in this stunning silver with the Edition trim, this car is a stylish option. This vehicle benefits from these stunning 18-inch alloy wheels, as well as these LED bi-function protection headlights with LED daytime running lights, complemented with the LED rear lights and LED rear fog lights, ensuring that you are always visible. Now moving to the rear cabin, we have the stunning two-toned leather and cloth upholstery with ISOFIX anchor points, a movable armrest with cup holders, and a ventilation system for your rear passengers to enjoy. Now moving to the vehicle's spacious boot, where the back seats fold down at a 60-40 split, providing you with even more room, perfect for the weekly shop or those holiday suitcases. Now moving into the front cabin, we have the same two-toned leather and cloth upholstery on the front two seats, as you can see, and a fully adjustable seat as well. We have the leather multifunctional steering wheel here, where you can answer the phone call with a click of the button. Moving to the infotainment system now, you can explore all the radio options available on this vehicle. You can also connect your device to listen to your own music via Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For the music lovers amongst us, you can adjust the sound system in this car to your desired taste. This vehicle benefits from a rear parking camera, making reversing into those tighter spaces even easier. Moving down, we have the easy-to-use air conditioning system to set the cabin to your desired temperature. A USB charging port is also available on this vehicle, ensuring your device always stays charged up, with hidden cup holders and an armrest for even more room. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Kia XCeed T-GDi edition in silver. If you're interested in this vehicle, please get in touch with our friendly sales team here at motormatchstoke.